Let's look at how Cordari gives us power over our notes. We'll upload a new voice note to Cordari. This is a short recording that reminds me to pick up some milk and eggs from the store, and that I have an upcoming haircut appointment. We can see that Cordari summarized the note, created action items, and extracted the calendar event. Now let's look at what happened, automatically, without us doing any work. The audio transcript and summaries were automatically mirrored to Google Drive. Obsidian. Notion. It was also sent to my remarkable tablet, where I can draw on top of it and annotate with handwriting. Cordari also created to-do items in Todoist and a new calendar event in Google Calendar. I also received an email with the summary. Now let's open Claude, where Cordari is set up as an MCP server. We can simply ask Claude anything about our notes, and it will perform a semantic search to answer any questions we have. No matter what process you use, Cordari lets you close the laptop in meetings, focus on what's happening, and know that everything is landing exactly where it should.